guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide in just 4 minutes. By the way, you can also download this free template from the link in the description below, and it's completely free to use. So first, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. Now let's begin our tutorial. First of all, open up a blank slide and go to images, and from here you're gonna insert the logo. You're gonna then insert a rounded corner rectangle in the bottom part of your slide. Remove its outline. Go to Format Shape and Fill and click on Gradient Fill and give it two color gradient fill. First of all, let's insert our image that we have to put on this rounded corner rectangle so that we can use eyedropper to give it a gradient fill. So we'll just use eyedropper to use gradient fill for the both of the gradient stops. Now let's change its direction. So the yellow color is upwards and the white is below. Duplicate this rectangle and move it to the right side. Now insert an image that you have to put on your second rectangle. Decrease its size and put it right here like this. Now let's decrease the size of the first image. Now let's put them into the middle of our slide. Here you go. Next, what we're going to do is move them closer and change the fill of this second rectangle using eyedropper. Next, what we're going to do is go back to our slide and insert a text box on top of both of the rectangles, in which we're going to write the name of the images. So here you go. Let's just give the text some shadow. And that's it. Now let's duplicate our slide. And the next thing we're going to do is decrease our size of the text and put it right here like this. Everything's done. Now the next thing you're going to do is just select this one and increase its size. Now you have to also increase the image and the text size and insert your content text. So let's duplicate our slide and decrease the size of the first rectangle along with the image. And next what we're going to do is just increase the size of the second image along with the rectangle. Here you go. Increase the size of the text as well. Now apply morph transition to all of your slides. So this is the final result. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can get more of these videos like these.